Hi again. Last time we created a profile for teachers. Now we're going to learn how to use that profile in order to make a booking. So the first thing we're going to do is go back up to Wild Voices for Kids, click on Teachers, and now we've already registered, so now we can log in. Let's do that. Click on the green button, and this is our login. So this is what I'm using. This is where it's really handy to remember your password. And of course, you can always click the Remember Me so that it's saved on your computer, but it's only going to be saved on the computer you're using at the time. And if you have lost your password, you can come back down to password recovery, click on that, and you'll get a very quick email with a help to redo your password. So I'm going to log in. So we haven't created any bookings yet, so we can do that now. Let's look at what we would perhaps like to book. So this is showing our bookings, and this is really important. This little box is up here, but we'll come back to that in a minute. First of all, let's find a Wild Voices for Kids presentation that we might like to book. So we've clicked on the far left, Wild Voices for Kids presentations, and we can search in a number of ways. You can search by year, time of year, whether it's a heritage or environmental program, your grade level. So I'm K-3 and I'm independent. Actually, I'm going to search under SD5. So let's do K-3 SD5 and let's see what comes up. Oops. Oh, that didn't work too good for me. I got everything back again. I'll try this again. K-3, SD5. Here we go. So here are my choices of programs that I can book. And you get to see everything that's available right now. And if there is a particular presentation that you're looking for that isn't visible, please contact me at wildvoices@cbean.org and we'll see what happened to it. Sometimes not all of them are visible for one reason or another. So I'm going to book Patty's Amazing All About That's Cranbrook presentation. So on the far right, we'll click View Presentation. And we can read a better description of it. So here's my classes that I already put in. It's my bugs class, my science. Under free, you'll see that you are hopefully permitted 2 programs per year that are free for you. So I'm going to select, yep, that's the class I have. If you want to add another class, if you have another class that you want to add in, say you're a high school teacher or an elementary teacher who maybe teaches 2 different classrooms, you can still do that. You can get 2 programs per class. So you can click on Add Class, and then you can add in your other class as well. So the booking time, November 14th, sure, we'll say that's fine. And I'm going to send a message here so everybody remembers what this is. Test. Okay. So I've looked at everything, and do I have permission for my students to be photographed? Because we do ask you to send photographs. So please check the permissions for your school to make sure that all the students in your class can have a photo that's used for publicity purposes. So yes, I have my photo permission, and now I'm going to submit my booking request. And away it goes. Great. So this is now pending my agreement, and that means I need to contact my presenter, and we can do that directly through this system. This is what we have booked so far. This looks good to me. Great. So now So the presenter has already been sent a notification and they'll be reviewing the booking shortly. So once I hear back from the presenter, and that will be all online, there will be a system that says that yes, we approve, and you'll be able to start that communication online. So we've got this set in. Perfect. If there were any changes, and you can make changes to this, let's say that rather than the 14th of November, we're going to do the 16th. Oh yeah, maybe 5:32 a.m. is not really a good idea. We'll say it's at 8:32 a.m. So I've made some changes. I'm going to push the green button and update my booking. Are you sure? Absolutely. I'm not going to school at 5:30 in the morning. There we go. So we've done this. We're all good to go. And now you can, whenever you come in again, you can look under your pending bookings. You can let's see, you can look at your membership. There's lots of perks if you want to be a member. And under your profile, you can check in and you can see your classes. You can see your message center. So what the message center is once we hear back from Patty on our booking, you'll be able to come in here, the booking will show up, and you'll be able to dialogue directly through email through our system so that you don't need to remember another email for Patty and anybody else you've booked. So that's a very handy thing. And also through this, you can sign out. Whenever you do log in, you'll note up here if there are messages pending, you'll have a notice up here at the top, and the same with bookings. It's showing that we do have one booking created right now. So this is the way we do this. This is very simple. Whenever you come back in again, you'll be able to look at an evaluation. Whenever the program is over, we do ask everybody does an evaluation, and you'll be able to come in and create an evaluation for this program. And once again, if you have questions on this, please contact us at wildvoices@cbean.org, and we'd be happy to do whatever we can to help you make this work and make it work the best way and easiest way for you. Thanks. We'll talk to you again.